Over the last decade, the inspection space has experienced a revolution. With the arrival of accessible and reliable drones, drone-based inspections have set a new bar, allowing for better, closer, and safer asset inspections than ever before. And as the sector has exploded, Cyberhawk has been at the front of that wave, wowing our customers with data they had only dreamed of. And the hardware is just getting better and better. The quality of the data that can be achieved today from equipment like this is truly amazing. But the truth is, drones alone are not enough. What we're hearing from our customers is that operational pressures are greater than ever before. Aging critical infrastructure, increased environmental stewardship, shortages of skilled labor, and greater demands for reliability means it's increasingly challenging to keep assets operational, let alone profitable. Drones are an incredible tool. We're continually investing in the latest innovations to stay at the forefront of what's possible. But the true benefits lie in properly leveraging drones within an end-to-end inspection program. And that's why we don't think of ourselves at Cyberhawk as just a drone company. We think of ourselves as the ones who understand your business challenges, and we also understand how we can work with you to solve them. No matter where you are in your asset inspection program journey, we can partner with you to combine your expertise with your assets with our expertise in end-to-end drone inspection programs. Interested? Let's talk and figure out how we can take your asset management program to the next level.